Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to apply brick wallpaper on a wall. First, ensure your wall is clean, dry, and smooth for the best adhesion. Next, accurately measure your wall's height and width to determine how much wallpaper you'll need. Don't forget to account for pattern repeats. Finally, gather all your tools, including a sharp utility knife, a smoothing tool, a tape measure, and a level. Proper preparation is key to a successful application. Now, let's get to applying the wallpaper. If your wallpaper isn't pre-pasted, apply a thin, even layer of adhesive to the wall or the wallpaper backing, following the manufacturer's instructions. Carefully position your first strip, using a level to ensure it's perfectly vertical. Once aligned, gently press it onto the wall. Work from the center outwards, smoothing any air bubbles with a wallpaper brush or plastic smoothing tool. As you apply subsequent strips, pay close attention to matching the brick pattern. This creates a seamless, realistic look. Overlap the edges slightly if recommended, then use a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to trim any excess wallpaper at the ceiling, floor, and corners. Finally, go over all seams with a seam roller to ensure they are firmly adhered and prevent any lifting. This step is crucial for a professional finish. To complete your project, gently wipe away any excess adhesive from the wallpaper surface and seams using a clean, damp sponge. Take a step back and inspect your beautiful new brick wall for any small imperfections or missed spots. Enjoy your transformed space. And speaking of transforming your space, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.